Here we make some detail drawing using this part. This part we make some detail drawing. Go to file, make drawing from the part. Then go to the A3 size and click OK. Now we do the drawing in A3 sheet. If it depend upon your part drawing, so we can drag our part from this palette, view palette. So of course we have to take the top line and see the orientation. The top line they shown the slot to be in the left side. So in our drawing it is in the down side. So select the part and go to rotate and change to the 90 degree. So now it came to the right side, opposite. So it is 270 degree. It make you the same like what we need. So we need again some section also. So go to the view layout and take some section view and select the section. Select the center line. So it will create automatically for you the section. Drag it and keep it somewhere. And we need some side view also. So side view it is already in the palette. So we go to the side view. That means front view. So it is also aligned with the section view. So no problem. Leave it that one. Then just go to this show and hide, and I will hide these origins. That is not required. I hide that one. So and here you see we have two more lines. In drawing there is one line. So right click, go to tangential edges and remove that one. That just remove, no problem. Then select this text and make equal 22 bold underline whatever you want. You can easily customize that one. Let's make some dimension also. As per this drawing we make some dimension. So before dimension we'll put this isometric also here and make it in solid and shaded and edges. Make some drawings in hidden lines. So we make some dimensions here 25, 44, 17 will go dimension. Go to annotation, small dimension and select from here to here, but what we are getting is 0.03. We will customize this one. Here we are in custom mode, so change to the millimeter. So now we can make dimension from here to here. Dimension from here to this arc is 25. Okay, and this to be 44. Here to here 44. This to be 17, and from here to from here to here to be 44, 42, and this to be 35, this to be 12.5, and this end to be 35 mm. From here to here to be 15 mm. It's a basic dimension, you can do it by yourself. If you want to make the leaders to be adjust, go to the leader and customize your leader as you like it. The arrows to be inside or outside, you can easily customize by selecting the dimension. You can go and customize. Go to leader and change to be inside arrow and click OK. So it is done. For plan view we have done the dimension here. So we'll go to the section and we make some dimensions there also. As per our drawing what they give the dimension, we'll make the same dimension. So go to the smart dimension. From here to be 12 mm and this arc to be 8 mm. So go to here to be 10 mm. Then go to center line and make some center line for the holes, and we make again smart dimension. This to be 6 mm and okay, and we make for a side view also we make some dimension. Go to same dimension and this to be 16 mm. We zoom this one so we can do it somewhat perfectly. This to be 26, 34, and this to be 10 mm, 8 mm, radius 8 and radius 13. Now we got this one 6 mm. We will adjust that one, no problem. We'll correct it. This to be 13 and this to be 8. Sometimes it happens. We'll do it later, no problem. And this to be 14 mm, and this also a wrong dimension, and that also we have a wrong dimension. So there is some mistake is there. We will update that one. We will correct it. This one 20 mm. So go to the part, and this is where we have some dimensions to be corrected. So we go there and right click, then sketch, edit sketch. So go to normal and delete this dimension 20 mm. We need 20 mm from here to here, so we'll add this to be 20 mm. Okay, let us see it is updated or not. Close the sketch, and we see in the sheet drawing, it is 20 mm, it is updated. Okay, and we see we'll adjust the leader and we make some dimension here. This to be, we need this to be 10 mm, but we got it 12 mm. See this 10 mm, so we will adjust in the part drawing. Again go to the part drawing. See it is 8 mm, it should be 10 mm here. Go to the part drawing and same select the sketch, right click, edit sketch, and change this to be 10 mm, and exit the sketch and see in the sheet drawing. The sheet okay, now it is 10 mm. This is the how we do the some detailing, and you can see some weight also there. This is the final weight as per the drawing, 439 grams. If you want kg, you can change in kg also. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel. Thank you.